What's up, everybody? It's December 1st. You know what that means? It's holiday time. Happy holidays, everybody.
Yes, and it's a special day for us right now because we are heading to the port to get on the Royal Caribbean Quantum of the Seas. The whole ship's going to be decorated all Christmassy. I'm so excited.
We're hoping.
I heard that December 1st.
I got Santa Claus going on, and
I got my green on. I got a green dress, you know, to kind of go with the whole holiday season.
So we shall see. So we have about a 45-minute drive to the port, which is not horrible. We'll see. We got carpool, so maybe the way Melissa drives, we'll probably get there in 30.
No. Well, I wish I had a little mini airplane, truly.
But look who's back here. We have Melissa's mom. You all know her, Dita. She was nice enough to give us a ride to the port.
But I have to drive, but that's okay. It's her car that we're going in.
She's driving like a race car. It's a RAV4, but she's driving like it's a Lamborghini or something.
No, I'm not. I'm maintaining 70. Come on. I'm totally chill. What? Did you hear my mom? She called me Speedy. Arriba, arriba.
Yeah, what do you call her?
Speedy Gonzalez.
That's right. We took off from the garage and we're like, oh.
Whiplash.
It's embarkation day. Let's rock. Well, we made it to the port, but well,come to San Pedro traffic.
Hey, what do you do?
It's about 1:20 right now, and our boarding time was 11:30. We're doing good.
No, our boarding time was 12:30. He didn't even know, but it's not that bad. Not that bad. It's gonna be perfect. We're gonna walk up, hand off our luggage, and go straight on the ship.
Yeah, so right on the way to the drop-off area for Quantum, you can check out Battleship Iowa. Look at that.
Wow.
All right, so there's a little drama right now. What was going on over there with the bag
porter?
person? Yeah, the porter. What happened?
Well, I printed my luggage tags at home, which I learned my lesson from the last time I thought going on a royal cruise. If you don't print your luggage tags and they send you over to this area, you go inside of there and wait in a long line to have luggage tags printed for you guys. Well, I thought, ooh, I'm going to be one up. I'm going to get out of the car and just have my luggage tags printed. Well, when I got out, the porter was like, oh, do you have tape or like a stapler that you're going to connect it to your bag? Because we don't have anything like that. You'll have to go over and get them to print you new ones.
Yeah, but yeah, okay. And then what? But did you see what happened? So she went over to the line to get in line, and when she came back, she had a freaking stapler. Guys, what's really cool though is we're not only jumping on Quantum right now, we are going to be jumping on Navigator. So here's the Quantum right here for 4 days, and then we're getting off the ship and we're walking right over there, and we're going to be on Navigator for 3 days.
Yeah, it's going to be so awesome. Merry Christmas, Merry Christmas. My wish list is coming true, side by side, baby.
Look, Santa's delivering. That might be one of the quickest check-ins we've had. The people are loving Melissa today.
Elizabeth?
They're loving the green and the Santa. They're loving it.
I know. I'm like his little elf, his helper.
They keep calling me. They keep calling her Santa's helper.
I think I'm.
And I like
it. You know, this is number one.
We're officially on board. How does it feel?
That's right. You saw my hop onto the ship right now.
You got about
love it.
You got about 3 inches of hops right there.
Oh, you know what? I still love them.
I mean, it doesn't compare to my Woody Harrelson dunk at Iberostar.
Man, you were almost there. Almost there, Billy.
Yeah.
Oh wow, this is an awesome vibe right when you get on the ship. This is a lot like Ovation of the Seas. You've watched our videos on that. Obviously it's a sister ship, but look at the decor, super modern. This thing's crazy. This looks like an 80s nightmare right here. It's really cool though. What do you think of that?
I mean, something can be a nightmare and cool at the same time, is what Tommy just said. So, live it. If you think it's a nightmare, it'll
Live
be
it.
cool in the end.
Love it.
Exactly.
Right, but we got on the ship kind of late. It's like 2:30, so they want us to muster like immediately. You ready?
I am ready to muster. You know why? Because I just want to move on. I got to do what I have to do to get on the ship. You know why? Because it wants to leave on time. Do you like leaving on time?
No, come on, don't lie. Mustering is like Melissa's favorite part of the whole cruise.
I'm going to make a new friend or two. Some of the workers, next time I muster, they're going to be like, oh,
All right.
move on.
Let's go handle it.
Let's do it. This is me.
That's
And this is Tommy right here.
That's 2.
Check out our cabin.
I don't even think you know what cabin we have.
Is it a surprise for me? Merry Christmas! Merry Christmas! Oh, look at this!
We went balcony, babe. I went balcony this time.
Merry Christmas! Merry Christmas! I love it.
All right, while we're here, we might as well do a quick room tour so you guys can check it out. Go in the bathroom real quick. All right, so it's a smaller bathroom for sure. It's actually pretty tiny, but got some cool shelves over here. Everything is modern. Look at the backsplash. I like this though. This is glass. It's not curtain or plastic, so showers are always cool on Royal. This goes up and down. You got your hot and cold, and then they have salt and breeze double duty. So you got your body wash and shampoo right there. Full length mirror right here. What do you think of the Santa Claus gear, by the way? Full mirror right here. Another mirror right here. And that lights up to do your makeup. Cool little chair right here if you want to get on your laptop or do your makeup. Perfect. There is a refrigerator down there. Some drawers right here. And then there's a closet on this side of the bed with a safe. And a couple drawers down there. We got the king size bed. I like that they put storage above the bed. They do that on Royal a lot. So you have plenty of storage, even though it's a smaller cabin for a balcony. It's enough for 2 people for sure. But the reason that we're here is because of this.
Merry Christmas! Merry Christmas! Check this out. This was my surprise, and I'm sharing it with you.
So we're obviously still in port here in San Pedro. It's a gorgeous day though. It's a really pretty day.
Wish you guys were here.
What is it like?
Now you would have nothing but good things to talk about.
Yeah, it's like 70 degrees probably, right?
It is about 70 degrees. Look at it. We got the whole port across us right here. This is where we get all our goods delivered, and we deliver goods to other places.
So there's 2 lounges right here. This doesn't move back at all, but it does give you an ottoman, and it's in kind of a laying position.
So you can, sit in here and just put your feet up and
relax.
Take a little snoozer.
There's one over here as well, little table.
Maybe you want to read.
And that's about it. We just want to give you a quick tour of what our room looks like. TVs, it's a decent size, kind of small. We've seen bigger TVs on Royal ships. I don't like on Royal that you have to pay for the movies. You don't get free ones like you do on Carnival usually, unless you go on the bigger ships like Wonder of the Seas. They give you 6 or 7 free movies. They don't do that on any of the classes below that. So whatever. Are we here to watch movies?
No, I'm here to empty out my heavy backpack. I like to bring some sodas on the board because you could bring a 12-pack. I just throw in like 8 sodas or so. I think I did this time. Look, in this cabinet, they make it look like a piece of. Ooh, I thought it was the refrigerator.
That is a refrigerator. What do you mean? That is the refrigerator.
Oh my goodness! Look, it tricked me. I thought it was a big safe. I have one that size at home, so I thought it was that.
Dude,
check this out.
I'm gonna need a safe that big after what happens in the casino tonight, because they're gonna be all cash.
OMG! I'm gonna have hand pay after hand pay, guys. I'm gonna win big, you guys. $100 bill hand pay. Here it comes. We went to one of our favorite bars here on the Royal Caribbean, which is the Bionic Bar, and got my favorite drink, the Taurus. My brother would appreciate the name because he is a Taurus. So, cheers, brother.
If you haven't tried the Taurus yet, you gotta grab it. It's 2 shots of Kahlua, Johnny Walker Black, Sprite, and Coke. Cheers. Oh my God. By the way, all the drinks at this bar, like 12 to 15 bucks. This one's $9.
Yummy.
I don't even know if I want to put this out on YouTube because it might be a mistake, but it's strong and it's $9. Another hack for you guys.
Went to go to the deck party. On the deck, we get up there and we're told that they changed venues to an indoor venue called the 270. So let's go check it out. I'm hearing it. Are you ready to dance? Let's do it.
They moved it. The weather's perfect. I don't know why they did, but they moved it. So we're gonna find out.
All right.
We tried to make it, but we caught the tail end of it.
Yeah, and I have to say that JJ knows how to rock the quantum. That's for sure. Those last 3 minutes, I was skipping and jumping and having a good time.
Yeah, JJ's the cruise director. He was the last time we were in the quantum. He was the cruise director. He really knows how to get everyone going.
Yes, he sure does.
Especially for a royal ship. I mean, royal ships do not compare to Carnival as far as how the parties go, but he actually is close to how a Carnival cruise director would be. But it was fun. We got 3 minutes in. 3 minutes is all I can last anyways.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
Not true, people, but that's okay if he wants to joke around about it.
So we're gonna go grab some food. We're hungry, angry and hungry. Let's go.
Hangry, let's do it.
Now for lunch, we headed on over to the 270 Cafe. This is one of our favorite spots to have lunch on a royal ship because they have fresh sandwiches and a salad bar where they make it for you. And for all you salad freaks out there like Melissa, they'll even toss your salad. Oh yeah. And when you're there, don't forget to try their tasty desserts. They have some amazing cakes, tarts, and our favorite thing over there is the cookies. Now, after all the excitement of Sail Away Day, we did our world famous 2-hour power nap. We gotta get rested up for the night. Later on the night, we hit up one of the shows on board. It was called Starwater. It was in the 270 lounge and it was okay. It wasn't one of our favorite royal shows. We actually love one that's called Sequins and Feathers, which we'll do in a later video. But after the show, we head on over to Izumi Sushi. We had some sake, of course, and then we had some delicious rolls. Now the rolls were good. We just wish they would have been a little bit bigger, especially because it's a specialty restaurant, because they were delicious. We wanted more of them. That was the end of our night. We had a fantastic embarkation day. Now, if you want to watch a full ship tour, we already did a video on that. It'll pop up on the screen right now. It takes you deck by deck, and it's only about 20 minutes long. We highly recommend that one. And we're gonna see you guys on the next one. Remember to always keep rocking the boat.